So, a Halloween costume with me. Here is what my client sent me. I found this red stretchy fabric for the outside. I think it looks great. We need a gold belt and a little gold trim, and of course we need a lasso to hang on her hip. And I thought it would be cute to do these iron-on stars. I want to put them on the lining of the cape. This cape lining is made of red satin, and then the outside is like a glittery, dusted blue. It looks so good together. There's my son modeling it for us. And let's get started on the corset top for the costume. Now, I put in these pleather pieces to give it some structure, shiny on the outside, baby, well fitted and snatched on the inside. You can see the boning has been installed. I made the underwear, lined everything with spandex so that she would feel snatched in that outfit. And now I've put the gold trim on, started putting in some of the grommets. I wanted to show you how I put the grommets in for a corset. I bought this kit on Amazon, super affordable. It comes with all the pieces in gold, silver, and in like a bronze color. It has this tool that you lay on top, and once you get it all lined up, you get out your hammer and you just bang away. Ooh, so satisfying. Hammer, hammer, hammer time. Let me show you up close. Perfectly installed grommets. There were a total of 16 grommets in the back of this corset. Corset string also from Amazon. And look at the lasso of truth hanging perfectly on her hip. Ooh, this costume came out looking so good. And here's the total ensemble cape with the stars. And Wonder Woman wouldn't be complete without a place to put her phone. I made her a quick little drawstring purse. And that's the full look. For more, check out Christina Wells Designs.